The PlayStation 5 Express Enterprises Inc. presents Yasmin pulls the fire alarm at a hotel/grounded. This video was inspired by WeatherStar 4000 video and Patrick the Amazing Video Creator 2K4.
Hi, I am Yasmin. Today, I am going to pull the fire alarm of this hotel as a prank. Ha 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 ha.
Oh my. I think there is something smoking in this hotel.
It looks like we have to get out of this hotel. We need to get up and head to the stairway and get out.
Hey, what's going on? Why is the fire alarm going off?
I think there's a fire. Let's get out of this hotel. We need to take the stairs. Let's go!
At Yasmin's house.
So, Yasmin, how was your date today?
It was good, Mom and Dad.
Glad to hear that, Yasmin.
Hello! Yasmin's parents speaking.
Hello! This is the hotel manager, Steve, speaking, and I am calling about your daughter, Yasmin.
You are calling about to Buzz. What did you do this time?
We just checked the hotel security camera Plotagon. It got your daughter pulling the fire alarm at the hotel, and for that, you and Yasmin's mom will be fined at $525. Because of your daughter pulling the fire alarm at the Plotagon City Hotel, I expect the fine to be paid by next month. Goodbye!
What? $525. Oh my gosh! She is so grounded. Thank you for telling me about this.
Who was on the phone?
It was the hotel manager at the Plotagon City Hotel. The security camera footage caught her putting the fire alarm at the hotel, and we are now fined $525, and we have to pay the fine by next month.
Yasmin, we cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm at the Plotagon City Hotel. You are absolutely not allowed to do that at all.
I agree with your mother. And thanks to you, we are now fined of $525, and we have to pay the fine by next month. That's it. You are grounded for 60 years.
Now go to your room right now.
Why?